Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 16 to 22, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment, paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And of course, please subscribe to this channel to show your support, like, share this video, and comment na rin kung kayo ay naka-resonate. So let's see, Gemini, what's coming to you this week. Energies for Gemini. Okay. Third house, communication. You are in your own element, Gemini. Maaring marami kang kakausapin ngayon. You are networking. Pinapalawak mo ang iyong mga nasasakupan. Let's say you are a social media influencer, content creator. So talagang nag-e-effort ka na gumawa ng mga contents para mas lalong dumamay ang following mo, yung subscribers mo. Some of you merong local travel dahil sa trabaho or pag-aaral or research. You have the moon and the Mars. Moon and Mars. Yung iba sa inyo, pay attention to your yung inyong emotions. Kasi minsan, baka magpadala kayo sa emosyon nyo, na meron kayong magawa or masabi or maging desisyon na hindi nyo pinag-isipan. The moon is also about your instinct, your intuition. So, pay attention sa iyong instinct, sa intuition mo, kung ano yung nararamdaman mo na best for you or anything na kailangan mong iwasan mo. If you feel that something is off, iwas na. Oo. Ano man yan, relationship man yan, connection, business, or investment. Kapag may naramdaman ka na, parang alanganin, or something's fishy, or may red flags, iwasan mo na. You have the 4 of coins, the 6 of cups. Mukhang may magbabalik. The 6 of cups is also your love for your work, for your career, for your business. I think ngayong week na to, you are going to be more frugal. Yung maingat sa paghandle ng kaperahan mo. Pwedeng iiwas ka muna sa paggastos. Kahit na it's the time of gastos ngayong week na to. So, iiwasan mo. You have the lovers. This is also your energy. I think ngayon, Gemini, very logical ka mag-isip ngayon in making decisions. Kung ano yung practical, yun yung ipupurso mo. With the Knight of Wands in the world, I think you will also expand. Kung meron kang business, expand mo yung business mo. Or parang mas driven ka ngayon Mas inspired, motivated ka to achieve your goals. And with the World card here, meron kang achievement this week. Pwedeng kahit anong achievement to na sinet mo na goal. Pwedeng itong pag-set mo ng goal na to first quarter pa lang 2024 mo sinet. And ngayon mo lang siya ma-achieve. So I think you're going to be proud of yourself of this achievement. Meron ka ring recognition dito. I also see you starting a new chapter. Parang starting a new, can be a new career, a new business, a new project, na very excited ka. What is the 4 of coins? The 10 of cups. Masayang family mo ngayon, Gemini, because you are someone na nakakapag-provide ng needs for your family. Maaari ring merong reunion, get together, 6 of cups, 10 of cups. Yung mga taong mahal mo sa buhay, family, mga friends, maaring ito yung time na nagkakaroon kayo ng nagkikita-kita kayo Nagka-catch up kayo sa isa't isa. And dahil doon, maraming mga ideas na mapag-uusapan. And then, alam mo yung feeling na you are talking to your friends na matagal mo nang hindi nakikita in person, na may mga ideas silang sinishare sa'yo, and ikaw rin parang na-excite ka rin sa ideas nila, and nagkakaroon ka ng inspiration to do that as well. Pwedeng may nagsishare ng business niya, kung paano niya napaunlad yung sarili niya, or maaring ikaw yon. You have the Knight of Cups and the Five of Swords. Nako, meron ditong competition. If you are in a relationship with someone, pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng selosan. Lalo na kung itong dahil sa mga reunion o kaya pagkikita-kita ulit. Oo, I see someone here na may karelasyon tapos magsiselo siya doon sa ex nung partner niya kasi meron silang reunion, high school reunion or college reunion or whatever reunion. You have birth or romance. Uy, birth of romance. Pwedeng starting a relationship ito. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron ditong dati na kayong magkaibigan or you are, let's say, friends before, like pwede kasi magkaibigan or magkakilala. And then, nagkaroon kayo ng pagkakataon na magkita ulit. Pwedeng magkaroon ng romantic attraction sa inyo. Pwedeng may ma-in love. You also have Saturn in 11th. So, 11th house is your community, your friends. So, ayun nga, pwedeng magkaroon ng conflict issue within friends dahil sa selosan. I don't know, ba't ganon, no? Pwedeng may issue yung, may issue yung friend mo, tsaka ikaw, tsaka yung friend mo na friend niya. Oo. So, this may create some, misunderstanding. So, kung ikaw, meron kang partner na selosa, at, iwasan mo na lang munang umattend sa mga reunion, lalo na kung nandun yung ex mo. Some of you are also, pwedeng may iba sa inyo manganganak na, na giving birth. Or, you are giving birth to a new idea, to a new project, a new business, a new career na talagang pinaghirapan mo. Success! Oh, may success for you, Gemini. Believe in yourself and dare to dream big. Yes, you're going to dream big. Your ancestors are holding space for you to heal your past. So, anything related to your past, unti-unti, nakaka-move on ka na dyan. Maaring, meron kang, childhood trauma na you are healing from it. Pwedeng may mga nakakausap ka like kamag-anak mo na nagpapaintindi sa'yo bakit nangyari yun in the past. So, you are constantly healing. Okay, so that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye.